The gang rape of a woman on the Lahore motorway has exposed many a weakness in administration and policing. What is most unfortunate is that after her car broke down, the victim rang several helplines to get assistance for her vehicle. But because of a lack of coordination and a slow response, help came too late. The episode begs the following question: what is a citizen to do in an emergency situation, such as during a robbery or a medical crisis at home? That is, the episode has expelled the government to formulate a national emergency helpline is welcome news and a step that no one and effort of this magnitude must first begin with provinces consolidating their resources internally. The ultimate goal should be to provide citizens with the best and fastest support available in their areas, and doing so in a coordinated way can also help identify which areas need further development. The provincial and federal authorities should rise to the challenge and approach this by putting aside their differences. This is a serious national priority. Citizens in distress should not be forced to run from to post or request for help. There are several successful models around the world that can be studied and adapted to create a singular national helpline in Pakistan. Several aspects must be considered and different requirements identified. A plan would need to be drawn up for each of those requirements to be met. Cost, expenditure, and income streams must be considered, as well as technical resources and plans. One example of a successful coordination effort is the National Command and Operation Center that is dealing with the coronavirus pandemic in the country.